Welcome back. Let's talk business, and we begin with good news tonight on Kenya's quest to step up vaccination efforts. World Bank approves Kenya's 14 billion shillings loan request, says money to be used in COVID-19 health emergency response, including vaccine acquisition. The additional financing for the Kenya COVID-19 health emergency response project is meant to facilitate affordable and equitable access to COVID-19 vaccines for Kenyans. This additional financing will enable Kenya to procure more vaccines via the African Vaccine Acquisition Task Team (AVAT) initiative and the COVID-19 Vaccines Global Access COVAX facilities. It will also support the deployment of those vaccines by boosting Kenya's cold chain storage capacity, including establishing 25 county vaccine stores, strengthening the capacity of 36 sub-county stores, and equipping 1,177 health facilities with vaccine storage as well as equipment. The new Kenya Dairy Industry Regulations 2021 represent a major milestone in the ongoing agriculture sector reforms aimed at